Hey, Tiny Dream Team, we are at Phoenix Building Solutions in Greenville, Alabama. This is, I lost track of the number of videos we've done here, but we are touring many of their homes that they have for sale. Now, Phoenix Building Solutions is a manufacturer, so we're not at a dealer. We're the manufacturer. Right now they have 3 dealers in Alabama, and they still sell factory direct. So if you don't have a dealer in your area, you can purchase a home directly from Phoenix Building Solutions. Phoenix is priding itself on growing, developing, evolving, so to speak, as they grow. They're a relatively new manufacturer, new in business. They've made several homes, sold several homes, and they have a lot out on their lot. They are manufacturing RV park models to the ANSI 119.5-15 standard. They are working on their HUD certification. They have 3 mobile home models out there right now, manufactured homes, that they are in the process of going through the certification process so that they can meet the HUD criteria as well. Now, HUD has the exemption for anything less than 400 square feet if it passes the HUD test, which is basically a 4-step process. But if a home is manufactured on wheels under 400 square feet, it can be considered an RV park model, so it's not required to be constructed to HUD standards. So that's why the RV park model industry has boomed so well. It is considered an RV. It is considered not for permanent residency, so remember that. But a lot of locations are allowing it for your freedom to live, for your freedom to do what you want to do and live the life you want to. We are in the Treadaway 2.0. We're calling this the 2.0. You may have seen our earlier video of a Treadaway. And that home did not have a porch. That one had, if you remember, it had the door here. You walk in the door here. It was the home that was staged. So it's very similar layout to this one. But the door was here because it didn't have the porch. And in that video, I explained if that door was not there, you had the door over here going out to the porch. So now you've got a little more room on this wall to place a corner couch if you wanted, or to place just a regular couch and just have more space, or to put, as Tammy said in that video, you could fit your dining table here if you wanted, or over where Tammy's standing. It's all up to you, flexibility. This room, as I said earlier, this room is 11'6" from this wall to the fireplace wall. And of course, it is about 12 foot this way, 12 foot 7 inches. So you've got an 11 by 12 kind of great room. Of course, you have a little space here where you have counter space and your stove, but that doesn't impede into the living area too much. You have your electric fireplace, which is going to give you off some heat with the blower in it. You've got your mini split Della up here and a ceiling fan. You've got your recessed lighting, plenty of light. We're inside the factory. They're getting ready. This one is getting ready to be moved out. It is getting ready this morning to go through final cleaning. We're holding up the cleaning folks. So we're trying to do this video kind of quick. We don't want to repeat a whole lot of information that we've already said. And I know you're going to have a bunch of questions. But instead of repeating information video by video and me forgetting something, we're going to have a sit-down interview with Ryan from Phoenix Building Solutions, and he will answer all those questions, and we'll have that in a separate video, and we'll probably put a little bar up here where you can click and watch that if you like. But if you like this kind of content with RV park models, various tiny homes, tiny living, stuff to do when you're over 50, retirement considerations, please hit the like button on this video and share it with your friends. And if you really like this content, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you get notified every time we put up new content. And I think my lovely wife over there is raising her hand. She has something to say.
Yes, I was wondering if you know if this house has been sold yet.
No, I am not 100% certain it has been sold. Some of their homes have already been sold. We were going to show you a neat little ADU unit that they just built. First thing this morning, but the customer came to do an inspection of the home. That's another thing you're going to get here at Phoenix Building Solutions. If you need a schedule, and you need to know, when is my house going to be ready? They will tell you. They will not give you a bunch of bunk. They will tell you and give you a date. Your house is going to be ready on this date. You can come down and inspect. You can walk a factory tour if you want. You can watch them build your house. You can come in here if you want and look as they're building. Just don't come down here. This happens a lot, and I see this a lot in the tiny industry. People will buy a house, think they love the model, get involved with it, and then they'll come down to watch it being built, and then they'll say, "Oh, can you move this wall?" And then they're like, "Yeah, we can, but it's going to take another 3 weeks. It's going to take additional costs and all this." And then you get mad and complain that it took an extra 3 weeks to get your home. But if you're going to buy one of their models as is, and you pick your fit and finish the way you want it, and they give you a schedule, they're going to do their damnedest to stick to that schedule. And another thing about the folks here at Phoenix, let's say you live in North Dakota and you buy one of these homes and you're going to get it transported. If you want to see pictures every single day of the progress of your home, I guarantee these folks will come out here with their iPhones or their Android, and they'll take pictures and they'll text them right to you. You can see your home being built. You don't have to worry about somebody giving you a bunch of bunk about your house once you've got the process going. So anyway, we're not going to spend a lot of time in this house. We've already been in a very similar model. This is a different fit and finish. We've got the nice unfinished pine tongue and groove on the walls. We have contrasting dark wood around for the trim, which is a really nice look. The ceiling is the same unfinished pine, tongue and groove. We have the butcher block look laminate countertops. This unit gets a dishwasher, a full-size range, and a microwave hood unit. It gets the farm style sink. This one, Tammy, just so you know, this one of your complaints is match, match, match. This has the polished
It does, doesn't it?
faucet,
Nice.
matching the farm style sink, matching the polished or brushed nickel, however you want to call those, on those knobs. Now, I'm not 100% sure because I've been through so many houses. I think the Treadaway we saw yesterday may have had a little different configuration here. It may have had shelves instead of this cabinet, but there's a cabinet here. I know we showed a cabinet in one of those videos. This is good for spices. This is a little deeper than the other cabinet that I've seen.
It comes with 3 shelves right there, right?
Yeah, you got 3 shelves in this one. This cabinet is a little deeper configuration. This one is about 10 and a half, 11, nope, well, almost 11 inches deep. So that's a pretty good cabinet for a pantry. Some of the pantries we saw in other videos, they're 5 inches, 6 inches deep.
It's more like a spice rack.
More like a spice rack type. But you did get a nice cabinet. Again, the cool thing about the Treadaway model, you've got basically 5 feet between here and here. That's plenty of room. And in fact, it's almost a waste of space. Tammy and I talked about it. Remove this cabinet, put you a desk here, but you need pantry space. But if you're living small, you got plenty of cabinets in here for pantry use and cooking utensils. You may not need this cabinet. You may want to put some shelves up here and just put you a desk in here or something like that. Yes, ma'am.
I just thought we would let everybody know that the trim behind Mr. Chubby hasn't been finished yet. They're still in the process of finishing the trim.
Yeah.
And so that's why you're seeing an incomplete trim job.
There's a piece here missing, a few things they got to do, their final walkthrough, their punch list, their touch-ups, their cleaning, and everything else.
Mm-hmm.
Another cool feature, we mentioned this in the other Treadaway, you've got a real door. You don't have a pocket door that you have to worry about, a little barn-style latch or nothing. You got a door with a doorknob and a lock going into your bathroom. And that's a 4-foot shower unit. That's a standard height toilet. And your cabinet choice carries in with your polished nickel faucet. And you've got your recessed lights, one above the sink, one above the shower. And you get a nice ceiling fan for those odorous moments that happen in the bathroom and to exhaust the moisture. And I'm not doing poop jokes. Don't look at me like that. I'm not doing poop jokes. Honestly, guys, we're getting less goofiness from Mr. Chubby in these videos from Phoenix because we are impressed. This is we're not at a dealer that sells 15 different models and we get hot and sweaty and goofy. These people have been incredibly open to us. Give you a factory tour. They'll give you a factory tour. They'll answer any question you have.
They're very innovative and very knowledgeable as
yes, well. And they are growing as a company. We had a conversation with the owner yesterday. Their appliance package is going to be shifting. They're going next level appliances. They're going to be included in the cost. They're going to go up and up and continue growing with their company. They're just trying to be the best and the largest park model manufacturer in the United States of America in the next few years. That is their goal. That is their dream. Innovate, grow. You get into a problem sometimes with these park models, you're limited to 400 square feet by the regulations. You can only do so much with a floor plan. We had a conversation with people on our channel with comments about loft heights. I didn't even realize it until today. The maximum loft height allowed is 5 feet. So you have a maximum height of the building that's allowed because of clearance under bridges and things like that. So if you've got a maximum 5 foot loft, you have to move that ceiling up and down with lofted homes. So there's only so much you can do. You're limited in square footage, so you've got to be innovative. You've got to put next level finishes. You've got to put next level appliances, next level materials, and that's what Phoenix Building Solutions is all about. But I'm going to let Tammy come on into the bathroom.
Bathroom?
I'm sorry, bedroom. This is bedroom.
I'm not coming in there because people can see from this angle exactly how much space there is.
Yeah,
you see all the space in here?
This bedroom,
it's a very large
will
bedroom.
Accommodate a king.
A tiny house.
This is 9 foot 10 inches by 9 foot 10 inches, or 9 foot. 9 foot 10 inches. We showed you this. But the only challenge we saw, we talked to Mr. Ryan about this yesterday, was these two windows. If you put your bed this way and you've got a big headboard, these two windows aren't configured the greatest for a headboard. So they're talking about the potential of moving this window closer to this wall. The window Tammy's standing beside closer to the exterior wall and having more room along this wall for a headboard. And Tammy also talked about it with the potential of, to her right is the egress window. Put the egress window on this wall, put a transom window over this wall behind Tammy, and then you can put your bed on that wall. And the other cool thing about this house is this huge closet. This is a good sized closet. I measured it yesterday. It's a little over 6 feet wide, and it is just at 2 feet deep. 2 feet and 3/16 inch deep. So it's plenty of room. They will put another closet shelf in there for you if you want to put your tops on the top and your bottoms on the bottom, or your pants on the bottom and your shirts on the top. But then you got to think about, what if you have dresses? So you may want to put a shorter shelf on the bottom so you can put dresses over on one side. And then the other neat thing, some of you are going to like this, some of you are not. Your laundry room is right here in the bedroom. You're like, well, why is that? Well, when are you going to do laundry? You're not going to do laundry when you're sleeping. Because if you do, your clothes are going to get washed, and then you wake up, and guess what? They're going to smell all stale. So you're going to be doing laundry when you're not sleeping in the bedroom. So you do your laundry, you dry it, and you're steps away from the closet to hang it up. It makes perfect sense. And you're not taking up any real space. Normally, this laundry room would just be right here in the kitchen anyway. But what this has done is it has afforded you a bigger bedroom, a 9'6" by 9'6" bedroom, where you could put a king size bed if you like, or you could put two twins in here if you want. This home is not a lofted home, so there's no loft to show you. We have the gray wood vinyl flooring as a finish in this one. You can get a dark wood vinyl flooring, or you can get hardwood stained to whatever your preference is if you want to spend that money. The floors in these homes are OSB, oriented strand board, which is more durable than particle board, but you can upgrade to a full plywood if you would like. And we'll talk about upgrades and everything in that other video, where we're going to have a sit down talk with Ryan here at Phoenix Building Solutions. So without further much ado, unless Miss Tammy has anything she wants to discuss with you about this tour, Got the nice cathedral in here. You got a vent over the door into the bedroom, so you get that cross flow ventilation for your heating and cooling. This is a 13 foot by 30 foot, so that's 390 square feet. Comes with the porch. This is the Treadaway 2.0, which comes with the porch. Now you have 5 different porch configurations, which is on their website. They have a very, very nice website you can check out. But you can get, this one has the wood configuration with the hog fence at the bottom, screened wood. You can get a configuration that's just wood open. You can get fully screened. You can get with metal rails. I don't even remember, but there's 5 choices that they currently offer. And if you want something custom, they're at that stage in their growth and development where they can do something custom. And a custom home from them, once everything's finalized about the design and everything, right now they're probably 6 weeks you can have a home. And I did a factory tour. Check out that video. And here at the end, we're going to put some links down here or up here. I don't know where we ever put them. It just depends on how the scene looks at the end. But we'll have some other videos from Phoenix. Maybe the factory tour, maybe the discussion with Ryan, whatever you want to look at. But go back to our channel, like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. But go back to our channel and look for all the other videos we're going to have from Phoenix, because I know we did 5 yesterday, including the factory tour. Today we've got 2, maybe 3 homes, maybe 4 homes to go through, maybe 5. This is the first one. And then we're going to do the interview with Ryan. So we could have potentially 5 or 6 videos from today that you can watch. So we did 5 yesterday, up to 5 today, maybe 6. We have 10, 11 videos for you to watch. Very nice home. Love it. Really roomy. Just feels roomy. Doesn't even feel like a park model because they used the space so wisely. But anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Don't forget, again, like, share, subscribe, ring that bell. You get notified anytime we post content. And we post on our community page too. And Phoenix Building Solutions information will be down below. If you're on a computer or on your phone, you can look at the description on your TV. You'll see the links for their website. And if you go to the website, they've got all the floor plans. So I'm not going to put all the floor plans on our community page. We appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you for watching. Hang in there, and we're going to see you on the next home. Thanks.